Okay, we're good to go. Okay, we're back on Nana time.
Okay.
We're gonna do the other one that Ella picked out, and she picked out. Oh, and Han Solo is back.
Hello.
Okay,
From
so
the
this
other
is
video we did.
Frozen.
Frozen 2.
What's the number on it? 41165. Okay, you want to do the honors?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's see. Push it hard, Ella. Did it. There you go.
As I think Legos is the best toy ever.
I see Olaf. I see an Olaf.
You see an Olaf?
They have number 2.
Okay, number 1. And some purple parts.
Yep, that's big.
Okay, we got our book.
Thing. Yeah,
Okay.
I have a feeling we're going to connect it like that.
We start with Anna. Is that her name?
Anna.
Anna.
Yeah,
Okay, you got Anna parts. And Anna's body.
Anna part.
Okay, what else you got in there? We're doing Anna part. We're not ready for the purple.
Oh, it looks like we have her little cape.
Oh, we have a little princess cape. Or is it a cape to keep her warm?
I don't know. And head. And her little legs.
Okay.
And last
I love her
part,
boots.
Her tail.
The boots are cool. Okay, let's get Anna together.
I'll put her together.
Okay, you put her together. All right. Okay.
I have a feeling Olaf is the last one to build.
Yeah, he might be.
Her head won't go on all the way.
Yeah, keep trying.
How about I'll help?
You get her.
She won't go on.
So I got her. Ooh, I like this color.
I have a ship now.
You do. All right.
Okay, where is... Oh, let me get her tail.
Bad. It's like don't stomp things, but that's better.
I have a feeling there's a piece there. She is.
Right.
There it is.
All right.
Looks like this is for a sled. I think it's like a boat or something.
It looks like a boat.
It
I
is.
think we are making a boat. I think
It's
that
a
would
boat.
be correct.
Yeah, it's a boat in the picture.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take my book.
Hey, you knocked my book over.
Sorry. Oh, I'm
Now I
taking a
can't
look
see
on
the
back.
directions. Okay. Get that one.
Stand there, and now she has a little lantern.
Let her head fall off.
Nope.
Oh, what's in her hand? Like, that's a noisy
A
button.
lantern. I'm gonna go back in time. So, Anna has a little lantern.
Oh, isn't that cute?
Yep. She can sit down.
And Ella, what are you eating? Crunching goldfish?
Mm-hmm.
Is that your snack? Not quite lunchtime yet. Okay, where's the...
Kind of like jumps thing.
No, I forgot a piece. This one. Now you can put her jewel in.
It's like Elsa's little boat.
Okay, we're to the jewel. Oh, I did something wrong. Got that one. I forgot this little piece right here.
This piece?
Yes. Okay.
Put the lantern on.
And the lantern goes right there on the front.
Or this
How
might be the
fun
back.
is that?
Family's back. I think it's front.
Okay, so now we
It's
have
the back.
this one.
Oh yeah, it's the back. Cause her
Oh,
legs
it's the
goes
back.
like
Okay.
that. Got the boat there.
All right,
Put
got
it
our boat
there.
over there.
And
And those three.
her. Yep.
I'd like to put it on the
Okay,
wrong
let's-
side.
Oh, but I I like fixing eyes. That's better.
Okay, I've got, oh, that's because I got these in the wrong place. All right, let's try this again. They go down here.
There.
Had a feeling.
You had a feeling. Why don't you say something? It's okay to say, Nana, I think it goes over here, not over there.
Background.
Now it will go better. Okay. You guys are so helpful.
Okay. So, did you get the background in? Like, oh yeah, we need the background.
That's pretty cool.
And now, where's that?
That we got that one. Thank you.
Put it right on top.
Okay. Oh, isn't that a cute little trees? And we need another jewel. Do you see the little jewel, pink one somewhere?
Yep, I
The
have
leaf. Okay, you put that.
jewels.
Let's put it up there.
Trying to
You're so
make that
helpful.
easier to.
Oh,
Ah!
you guys are so helpful.
Well,
All
it's
right,
staying,
this
but I don't think it will
goes-
stay for too long.
Oh, look! It looks like a little tree.
Yeah.
How fun is that? And we have.
One of these.
Okay, that goes right in the center. Well done.
Stay.
Yep, you got it. Okay, tall gray one that slants. This one?
Or this one.
Oh, there's two of them. It must go someplace else. All right, so now we have
A
that
white
one. White. And the other gray one. Now we have,
A pink piece.
okay, you get the pink one.
Up here.
We have a smooth gray one.
And a smooth gray
All
one.
right,
Right.
okay. Looks like we set
I
that
have a
aside
feeling you're gonna
now.
make two of those, cause look, right
We're
there.
gonna put
Now
this.
we need,
Oh. This.
I think you're gonna be making two of those, cause
Oh,
oh,
we have
possibly.
a little.
Up there it is. I was gonna say, where's our green one?
Yeah.
Maybe
found
we
it.
need like a Lego stand to put our instructions on. Okay. You get the green one on top of that.
There. It's like a phone.
Okay.
Green phone.
Now that goes like that.
And then we have this.
Now we have,
This like little guy's face. Did this thing come with stickers?
do we need to open the next book? Barbie?
Nothing.
Oh, you've got it. Blake's hiding it. Okay, that's why I
I'm
couldn't.
keeping it safe. Cause
Oh,
I
you
don't
were
want-
keeping it safe. Oh, that's like a little face.
Yeah.
It is a pig.
It's got a big nose.
It's one of those round dudes. Remember that dude? Remember those?
No, I haven't seen Frozen yet.
Ella, do you remember those ball dudes? The ball dudes
Yeah, but those. Oh yeah.
that
And
have
those
like the
little
flower
guys.
stuff.
I don't remember. I haven't.
And
Where were they?
Frozen 1.
Yeah.
Those little ball guys that helped Donna. And she fell
Oh,
down.
I remember now. I remember the
stepping
rock
on-
people.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's one of them.
That's one of the rock people. Okay, I got it. I remember.
Oh,
We did watch
look,
that.
that's bad.
What's bad?
Hook that on. Something can go on top of that, and it could
Where's the
launch
little
off.
white piece? We're missing a white
Wait,
piece.
yeah. Where did it go?
Oh, it's back behind the book again. Okay, you
This
get that in there for us.
It's like a little seesaw.
Oh,
It is.
that's fun. Okay, and that goes right here.
Any gems that go is going on? I don't think so. Seesaw.
Oh, a little seesaw. Okay.
And
Okay, now we need our bag too. Ella, can you
Oh.
dump that for us?
okay.
Olaf is in it.
Yes.
I want to make Olaf. I'm
Okay,
making
you make
I
Olaf.
want to make Olaf
Let's
too.
get our paper out of there.
No, I want to make him.
Okay,
Can
here,
you
let's.
let brother do it?
Yeah. Let me,
All right,
let me
so
get
we've
all
got a
the-
shiny.
So here's the piece to Olaf. Here's the piece to Olaf. Let me get his nose.
You need to get the scissors, or you got it?
The,
Oh, look, there's a little slide. That's kind of fun.
let's take a little slide.
I need
That one.
Olaf's nose.
Olaf. No,
Is
I
this
think
Olaf's nose?
sister's getting it for you.
Yeah, there it is.
I don't know.
I'm Olaf.
Want to show
Oh,
them?
isn't Olaf cute? You're gonna throw Olaf.
Olaf.
Oh, isn't he cute?
I'm
Oh,
Olaf.
I show you on.
Olaf, and you want to show Anna? Okay, show little Anna.
Whoa, whoa, water.
Oh, and her cape turn.
Ooh, water. Whoa, what? Ow, whoa.
Oh, isn't she cute? Okay, so now we need. Got some more parts over there to dump in our pile. Unless I'm missing some little. There we go. We want these pieces.
And a little drum. I'll put all of these in the side.
Thank you. Such a good helper you are.
Banana.
Yes.
Give me lemon juice.
Yes, you like
With
lemon
these
juice.
lemons.
Well, you're liking the lemon. Okay. Olaf. Okay, so we need 3 of these again.
You can be in the water.
Like a little river going through. 1, 2, 3.
All done.
Okay.
And then, slidey piece.
I think I
we
missed
put
a
the
page.
boat.
It's this one.
I
No,
think
I
we
think I
put
missed-
the boat right.
Oh yeah, you missed the page.
I'm gonna take Anna.
Okay.
I'm gonna make her sit down in her boat.
Okay,
This way.
that piece.
Then I'm gonna put her.
And that one goes. Wait, we can't see the directions.
Oh, the other way.
Yeah, you got it. Okay.
Yeah.
And put her right here.
Oh, does the boat go right
She
there?
goes right there.
All right. Then we have.
And then we have this.
You've got that one. Okay.
Like what you're trying to make this thing.
And this one goes over
And
here.
Olaf goes right here.
Oh, she going down the boat too?
Yep.
You can grab on
Okay.
and put it in there. Cute
What?
little bunny.
Olaf.
Oh, the little bunny's cute. You're a cute little bunny.
That could. That's a.
All right, that one's there.
The bunny to safety.
Yes.
Ooh,
All
there's
right, so then we
slide.
have the slide. Can you get the slide on for us? Well done.
And make them go down like.
Looks like snap. Okay. Like a little playground, isn't it?
Yeah.
I got M&Ms if you
All
want some.
right, you have any M&Ms?
M&M's.
I'm good, thanks. I already had my chocolate fix this morning, thank you.
I love these M&M's and these M&M's.
Yeah. Okay,
Would you grab
that
me a
and
bowl?
that.
Can you grab me a bowl too?
I have 4 of those.
And can we have M&M's? Can I have M&M's?
I don't want any. You guys go ahead. Thanks.
Oh, in the picture.
Oh, you can have some of these two.
Wait, Blake should like to pour some back in. She got a few more than she wanted. All right, we'll try it again later.
That's almost all of them in the
Wow,
thing.
you guys aren't gonna want any lunch. Oh well, Mom left you with me. One of the houses will leave you with Nana. Chocolate. is the best.
Mhm.
Okay, this goes.
Really?
Good thing I cleaned 3-second rule. Good thing I cleaned my floor. Okay, there's Olaf. Where's Olaf?
The cousin.
Oh, he's in the. Okay, he's in there already.
Oh, so look, this is what
No,
we're gonna
that's
do
the next thing. Yes, that's our last part.
For the little bunny.
Little bunny, so cute. And we put that one there. Sounds like a bunny house.
Yep.
And
I know this goes.
oh, you
in
got that one? Okay. Yeah, if Nana doesn't follow the instructions, she gets lost.
Oh wait, we should take this off because I think this goes on
I think you're
this.
correct.
And then this.
What's the Star Wars guy doing in the Frozen movie? How'd that work?
Sorry, let me go back in the. I'm gonna go back in time.
Okay, you go back.
Goodbye.
Okay, Ella, can you get that one on?
Yeah.
All right.
Woo! Woo! Yep.
All right. That's on.
And then
Yes, thank you. I'll have one of those. As long as you didn't lick it first. I'm good.
I didn't.
Okay, thanks.
I just grabbed it.
Okay. Little bunny. Isn't she cute? I guess it could be a girl or a boy.
Yeah.
Think it's a girl.
That's just a cute little bunny. Oops, did I do that right? No. What'd I do? Goes in the middle?
Yep.
That look right?
Just like that. And then we can actually put this right here if we want to.
Well, it doesn't have a jewel in it, but you know what? We have an extra one, so go for it. Okay. We did it.
And then she can have a little carrot to eat.
Okay. And you share a little carrot
Because
with her?
Bunny likes carrots, right?
Yes. Okay. We did it.